Before long, you'll be thinking about building the first fire of the season in your fireplace. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. Stay tuned and we'll talk about making sure that it's safe right after this.
It's National Fire Prevention Week, and we're helping our audience protect their homes with a special giveaway from Leviton. You can enter for a chance to win an AFCI outlet, which is a simple device that helps prevent electrical fires in your home by shutting off the power immediately if a fire is detected. We're giving away 20 AFCI outlets every day this week, so head over to todayshomeowner.com/giveaway to enter. Giveaway ends October 12th, so enter today.
One of the most ignored parts of your home is the chimney, and that can mean disaster for your family. Now is the time to have your chimney inspected by a certified chimney sweep. If it's dirty, have it cleaned. Creosote buildup on the interior walls of a chimney is an invitation to fire that won't be ignored for long. The inspector will also check the exterior surface and make recommendations if repairs or improvements are needed. For example, you may need to add a chimney cap to prevent water damage or to keep animals and birds out of the flue. Once the chimney and fireplace pass inspection, it's your responsibility to use them safely. Make sure the damper is open. Don't use petroleum products to start a fire, and never leave one unattended. I'm Danny Lipford with Tips for Today's Homeowner.